Good morning and hello everyone. My name is Bahadur Mori and I am an English and SS teacher in Southern English Medium School at Natesh. And today I am going to take Social Science Standard 9, Chapter number 1, Rise of British Rule in India. Very interesting chapter this one, according to our history, Indian history. Right. As we know, history is the most important part in our life. We have to know about our history, our Indian history. So very interesting chapter this one in our books, in our syllabus. Very interesting. So I will explain every line by line. I will telling you related information about the all information related to this history chapter. Right. Explain the every word, the hard word explain in a very easy way. I try my best to explain you. So listen very carefully and use your headphone. So much better to voice clarity. Right. So let's without any further ado, let's begin. Chapter number 1, Standard 9. Chapter number 1, Rise of British Rule in India. Rise of British rule in India. As we know that everyone knows that Britishers ruled in India in many years, right? Long years, many years ruled they ruled in our country many years, right? Other also the emperor also ruled in India, Mughals and other also that we all know about it, we are aware about it. But here is point is rise of British rule. How British rule rise in India, up in India, how the British can conquer India, right? How they establish they rule in India. That is every point available here. Very in the very short information, right? So very interesting point. Let's start without any further ado. India. I just give the few information about the Indian history, previous history. India enjoys a very uncomparable position in world. Before Britishers came into India, British East India Company, India is a very prosperous country at that time. Many countries want to trade with India. They come to India, they trading with India, our Muslims, silk, our clothes, our goods and other things. Demand is more and more in a Europe country, right? But what happened suddenly? Because they need to find a new route. What happened? That things it's including in this chapter. So we will study about it. We will teach about it, right? So I will start line by line. Since the ancient period, India has enjoyed an incomparable position in the world, in the whole world, due to its economics. First thing. India has incomparable. That means we cannot compare to other country with India. There is uncomparable. All the best country like this. Today is like America, right? France, other countries that like uncomparable countries. That we cannot compare that. You know. So like this way in the ancient time, India is an incomparable country. So for is due to his prosperity, due to his economics, financial, very wealthy country at that time, right? So in the economics, second thing culture. Culturally they very prosperous and religious heritage. So in this 3 point in economics, culture and religious in heritage, India there is a uncomparable in the world in the ancient time. Clear? Due to the economic prosperity and culture in heritage, people from different nations of the world came to India. Due to the economic prosperities and culture in heritage, people from different nations of the world came to India because of our heritage, because of our culture heritage, because of different trading system, our cultures and other things. Other countries are came to India for that, right? And there was a lot of demand for the Indian spice, muslin, silk, cloth, indigo, etc. and the Europe countries. These are the things, our cultural heritage, our economics, our religious heritage, right? Due to the Muslims, silk and silk cloth, indigo, etc. The Europe country has to come to India. They are trading between this. Trade between India and Europe was carried out through the land route and sea route. Please make underline this one. In the ancient time, trade between Europe country and in the India between trade through the land route and sea route. And at the center of this route was Istanbul, Constantinople in Turkey. So what is the center of the trade route in the ancient time between Europe and India? So the here is answer is Istanbul, Constantinople in Turkey. Clear? This is also important point. Please underline. After the conquest of Constantinople in 1453 AD by the Turkish Muslim, the sea route through Constantinople, Istanbul was closed for the European. Right? Why the Constantinople route closed? Because of the Constantinople conquest by the Turkish Muslims in 1453 AD. Right, so that's why the route was closed. That land route was closed because of Turkey Muslim, European country, Turkey Muslims conquest Constantinople. Right, this is the Constantinople is the center of the route. Without here is a map. You can see in the India. See, look, Bangladesh here, India over here, Kochi, Kalighat, right. Turkey, and here is the center of sea. You can look here the Turkey, right? So that is the base route of the. You can see the Turkeys above the Alexandria, Africans, right? Before, so there is a you can exactly look here Turkey. There is a Constantinople that conquered by the Turkeys, right? So this Europe country, this is the Portugals, and this one, these are the European countries. They cannot reach to India because of Turkey Muslim conquest the Constantinople, right? So the land route was closed, right? Because of this is the main center route to reach to the India. So that was closed in the 1453, right? That's why European country need to find a new route to India. Why European country need to find new sea route to India, a new route to India? Because of in 1453 AD the Turkey Muslim conquest center of Constantinople, land route of the Constantinople, conquest Constantinople. That's why the European country need to find a new sea route. Clear? After the conquest of Constantinople in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslim, the sea route through Constantinople, Istanbul was closed. Sea route was closed of Constantinople 1453. Right? Constantinople was closed for the Europeans. For the European that was closed. Since they could not do without the spies, the European felt compelled to discover a new sea route, so an era of geographical discovery began. Right? So now they can't live without spies and without Indian trading. They need to spies, indigo, Muslims and other things, and they need to reach to India, but Constantinople is now closed. So here they need to find a sea route, and because of the conquest of Constantinople, the European felt compelled to discover. They that means compulsory has to be find to discover new sea route. So era of geographical discovery began. So if I ask you why an era of geographical discovery began, so your answer is after the conquest Constantinople in 1453 AD by Turkish Muslim, the sea route through the Constantinople was closed. So European felt to need to find a new sea route for trading with India, right? So that's why an era of geographical discovery began. Clear? Now geographically discovery began. Let's understand about this. Discovery of sea route to India. Now here is a point about how they find a sea route to India, right? How they reach to India. Very interesting point, as we know that. So how they find a sea route to India. Let's start. With the inspiration, encouragement and economic help from the Portuguese King Prince Henry, some brave people began effort to discover new sea route. Okay, please make underline in the King Prince Henry, Portuguese. Portuguese King Prince Henry. Please underline. This is very important name. You have to memorize. This person who encouraged to the people. This Prince, Portuguese King Prince Henry. Portuguese King Prince Henry inspiration, encourage, motivate to the people and support economically, financially, money, give to the money, financially, give to equipment, give facilities and give encouragement to please go and find the sea route. Yeah, find a way to how to reach India. Find a sea route to India. है ना? तो most important name Portuguese King Prince Henry, who encouraged, support and gave equipment for very brave people, right, to support him and give to the equipment for the find a new sea route to India. Clear? Many great men tried to discover sea route to India, namely Bartholomew Dias, first very brave name. Please underline this second very important name, Portuguese name, Bartholomew Dias, right, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope. Please underline Cape of Good Hope and Bartholomew Dias. Please, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope. Here is a Cape of Good Hope. You can see on the map. Look, I just zoom it. Cape of Good Hope. Here is the Africans, right? This is Africa. Here is the ocean. Circle it. You can see the Cape of Good Hope. Here exactly point out it. Right? Sea is a constable that I explained you. Here is a Portuguese Lisbon. He just started his journey from the here and he just turned the full cover it and here is a Cape of Good Hope. So here is a Cape of Good Hope. So who discovered Cape of Good Hope? If you have questions, so here is answer. Right. The Cape of Good Hope discovered by Bartholomew Dias. Clear? Very important question, exam related. Okay. Now further, with the economy assistance from the King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering a new sea route in 1492, which again came to stop on an island presently known as the West Indies and situated in America Ocean. Please, I'll explain line. Hold it. See, look. After the Bartholomew Dias who discovered the Cape of Good Hope, right, with the economy assistance from the King of Spain. So here now new point, King of Spain, Portuguese not that, King of Spain, so Columbus from Spain, first thing clear, right, Christopher Columbus from Spain, right, so King of Spain, Christopher Columbus began his adventure of discovering a sea route to India. Support to the King of Spain, the Christopher Columbus who started his journey to find a new sea route to India, to find a route to India, right, he discovered a new sea route. Columbus discovered new sea route in 1492, which again came to, where he came to again, he to come to stop at an island. He just stopped to one island presently known as West Indies. As we know that West Indies, right, is a cricket team, right, so that particular is an island, and so he reached to not to India but he reached to island presently called West Indies, right, presently called West Indies. We look out the map over here. Okay, sorry for that, but here is exactly not available this one, West Indies Tapu, this other side. See, okay, I'll explain again. 1940, one more thing, Spain, underline it, and again underline in the Christopher Columbus who discovered the West Indies island discovered by the Christopher Columbus. He started his journey in 1492, right, he came to stop at the island that time presently known as West Indies. This important point. Again second point is that situated in the Atlantic Ocean. Where is it situated? It's Atlantic Ocean. This one is situated in the Atlantic Ocean, right? So where is West Indies situated in Atlantic Ocean? Who discovered this? Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus from Spain, right? King of Spain supported Christopher Columbus. Clear? Columbus who had believed throughout his life that he had discovered a new sea route to India, had actually discovered a new land. See, what kind of enthusiastic people that was. In the whole life, throughout his life, that means whole life, his entire life he thought that, okay, I discovered India route. I discovered the sea route of India, I discovered India. Like this. His entire life, and to the date. He just believed that I found out the Indian sea route in the entire life, but actually he discovered a new island, new land, new place, not India. Got it? That we know that who discovered the sea route to India, right? Now let's again further. Since the clarification was made by Amerigo Vespucci, this new land began to be known as America. Look, now Christopher Columbus stopped at island that presently called as West Indies, right? And West Indies is available in Atlantic Ocean, right? Atlantic Ocean, right? But after the in the entire life, that's find believe that Christopher Columbus find the India sea route. But after it was made by the Amerigo Vespucci. Please underline this one. Amerigo Vespucci, very important person name. This new land began to be known as America. After give the name, find that this is not India, this is the new place, clarification by the Amerigo Vespucci, that's why that's called America. Clear? Amerigo Vespucci clear that this is not India land, this is the different land, that's why that particular land called as America. The name of America is because of Amerigo Vespucci, that's why America called America. है ना? So very important character we heard right now. Prince Henry from Portuguese, King Prince Henry, and Bartolo Diaz, who discovered Cape of Good Hope, 2 points. Second, one more, Christopher Columbus from Spain, support from King Spain and Christopher Columbus from Spain. He discovered new land, West Indies, is situated in the Atlantic Ocean. And fourth person is Amerigo Vespucci. And right now America called because name of Amerigo Vespucci. Clear? He cleared that. So Amerigo Vespucci, Christopher Columbus, Bartholomew Diaz, Prince Henry from Portuguese, and Christopher Columbus from Spain. Right? There are 4 characters very important, and they discover different things. Prince Henry support to the Portuguese. Prince Henry support to the brave people who want to find a new sea route to India, and one of the brave person, many of Bartholomew Diaz, who discover the Cape of Good Hope, right? And second thing, one more person, brave person, Christopher Columbus began his journey in 1942, and he find a new land, West Indies, support from King of Spain. He was from Spain. And one more thing, that one person, Amerigo Vespucci, who clarified that this is not India, this is the particular new land, and that's why that land called America, right? So very few characters, let's make a highlight it so you can point out it. Clear? So here is all the point about the discovery of sea route India. Here is the map, right? Sea route to India, exactly Cape of Good Hope. There is sea point is a Constantinople, that Muslim Turkeys conquest which year? Conquest in the Constantinople, right? The conquest by the Turkish Muslim in 1453 AD. You know, that's why the sea route of India closed because of Turkish Muslim was conquest Constantinople. This is the point, center of the center of the route. That's why they need to find a sea route, because demand of Muslim silk, cloth, indigo more and more in the Europe country. Demand increase, so they need to find a sea route. You know? So because of trading need and all things, the era of geographical discovery began. Clear? Many things clear it here. Right. Now further, the Portuguese sailor. Now one more hero's character came to us. Hero character, we can say hero. Why? Let's read. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama. Please underline this one. Very important. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. Please underline. very Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1498 AD. Clear? This is the person who find out. This is the person who discovered the sea route to India. Who tried to first to sea route to India? Christopher Columbus. Before that, Bartolomé Diaz. Right? But these are the person who made success it. The Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the sea route to India in 1940. Right? Clear it. Columbus from Spain and Vasco da Gama from Portuguese. Clear? And Bartolomé Diaz from also Portuguese. He support from the Portuguese. Right? And Amerigo Vespucci, the one more character who clarify that this land is a different land. So these are one more new character. Its name is a Vasco da Gama from Portuguese, and he discovered the India in 1498. Clear? When he reached the Calicut in the western coast of India. So please underline the Calicut in the western coast of India. Here is a map. Look, India here, Kochi, Calicut. Clear? See, Kochi, Calicut. Yeah, I'll explain what exactly route they took it to reach to India, Calicut. Got it now? So first when he reached to the Calicut in the western coast of India, with the help of Indian sailor, he was welcomed by the King Jamorin and allowed to carry out business there. See. Who welcomed to the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama? The King Jamorin. Calicut Bandar king was King Jamorin. Please underline one more character, King Jamorin. Look, in the history you have to memorize character and the year. You have to memorize, because character and year very important and place is very important. So one more character, King Jamorin. Calicut King Jamorin, right, who welcomed to the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama and give to the permission, allow to the permission, please settle here and do the business over here, trade over here. So King Jamorin, one more character, and one more thing is that with the help of Indian sailor, so one more Indian sailor who helped him to reach to the India. So that is very important point. And King Jamorin who welcomed to the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama. So we had two more character, Vasco da Gama and Jamorin, king of Calicut Bandar. Clear? All allowed to carry business there. Thus, this considered as the importance event in the world, as this opened the door for the European to come to India. Thus, this is considered this acceptable and important event. Which one is an important event in the world? As this opened the door. So, which event opened the door for European country to India? Which event opened the door for other Europeans to come to India? Open the door for European country. Which event opened the door for European country to come to India? Which event? Which event considered as a very important event? If that event opened the door, please come to India and trade over here. So your answer is the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the new sea route to India in 1498. He reached to first at Calicut Bandar, Calicut port. Clear? And there Calicut port, the king of Jamorin, King Jamorin welcomed to the Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama, and they give to permission, please carry out your business here. Right? So this event opened the door for Europeans. Now European easily came to India. Here is his journey. See, discover the new waterways. The dot marks. Here is a waterway. Dot marks the how he reached to the India. He started the journey and the Cape of Good Hope. He the Mozambique, they crossed that, and then he is here and there and then reached to the Calicut. Clear? Calicut is the western coast of India. This is the western coast of India, and the era of this sea route was complete now, and Mr. Vasco da Gama, the hero at that time, and find a new sea route to India. Clear? So this is the first point. Now I am going to finish it, but before I finish, I want to recall some memories. Rise of British rule in India. why rise of British rule? The first step is here. First footstep now put it. First thing, 1453, Constantinople, the center route of trading. Constantinople in Turkey. Constantinople conquered by Turkish Muslim in 1453. So European country now facing very scarcity and facing very compelled to find a new route to India because they need to indigo, cloth, silk, muslin. This demand was increased. So India at that time very prosperous country, very wealthy country, and culture wise, trading wise, business wise. So European need to find a new route to India. So then after the era of geographically discovery began. So first of all, the Portuguese king Prince Henry, I told you memory this name, Prince Henry, you underline it. He started to encourage him and support to economically equipment, give equipment, safety zones provided, and the brave people started to find a new route to India. Do you think we just think that how much incredible position at that time in India, for India in the world. We can imagine peoples of world want to trade with India. They curious, they keen to find new route to India. We have to reach to India. This much position, incomparable position in India at the ancient time. Then one of the brave person, the Bartholomew Diaz, who discovered the Cape of Good Hope, right? And one more person from Spain, whose name is Christopher Columbus. He also find a new land. It's presently called West Indies. He started his beginning journey is 1492, and he he came to the island that's called presently West Indies, right? And one more character name is Amerigo Vespucci. He clarified that this is not India, this is the new land, and that's why that land called America, because of that Amerigo Vespucci find out clarification. That's the name of Amerigo Vespucci, America called. Clear? And then finally one person came to and started his journey. His name is Portuguese sailor Vasco da Gama discovered the new route to India in 1498. One more character, he reached to Calicut, the Calicut port in western coast of India, and there King of Jamorin welcomed him and give to permission, please carry your business over here, right? And give to the permission, please carry your business, and he started his business there. And that incident consider as the most important event in the world. That incident opened the door for European country. Clear? Please every point write down it and memorize and recall it again and read it. I hope everything is clear, and next part will be soon. Clear? So please stay home, stay safe, take care. Bye.